Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on another episode of Getting to Know Postech Ontario. Today, I'm headed out to Halton region to meet with Logan Poetker, the dealer in that area, and he's going to show me how everything's done. So, let's hit the road.
I became the Postech Halton dealer in June of 2019. This is my second season as the Halton dealer. This is my fifth season as an installer in general. One of the things that draws me to Postech is this organization is more of a family than it is a company. And what you get out of that Postech Nation, as we call it, is an enormous amount of support, whether it's just questions about how do I do something on site or whether it's marketing. There's a whole nation of people that are there to help you. It's always something new, fresh, and exciting. And that's one of the biggest draws to being a Postech dealer. Other jobs that I've had in the past, I'm on the same site for weeks, months sometimes, and you just lose your drive. So you keep your drive when you're driving those piles. Halton region comprises of main centers of Oakville, Burlington, we have Milton, Georgetown, and we go almost up to Highway 7, our northern border. A normal day for me typically involves answering some phone calls, catching up on emails, and then we start our commute to site. We get as many piles in as we can. We take lots of pictures, lots of records of torques and stuff like that for our engineers to go back. Customer service is number one in Postech. We want to be there through the whole part of the process, whether you have questions about getting permits for your project or if you wanted to use a different kind of footing system and now you're thinking about switching to helical piles. So we really want to be there to support you every step of the way. We work in a lot of tight access areas, downtown Oakville, Burlington. You know, there's not a lot of spaces between these homes. So the main things that we're looking out for, first of all, is we need locates done. We need to know where underground utilities are. We need to know that we have clear access. Trees that need to be protected. We're not going to scratch siding. We're going to protect the grass. We have all sorts of things that we will implement to keep your property safe and secure. For me, being a one-man crew, I had to find a way to make it more efficient. The remote is the best way for me to be mobile on site. I'm not always jumping in and out of the machine. I have a good visibility of what's around me. It just allows me to be more accurate and more efficient as a one-person crew. Postech dealers are friendly professionals, and as such, our work ethic is to work hard until the job is done. We're not even afraid to get dirty. We make sure our clients are happy. That's our number one goal, is client expectation is met at the end of the day. And once everyone's signed off, we load up and head on home.